Hey guys, we're over at the garage. I just came over. Making a list of parts I need for this 36. I need to get the patina bug over here. So I'm gonna get those shelves out and I have to put one more car over there. Something needs to get the boot and I don't know what it is. I think it's between, nah, I can't boot this thing out. We've got the 70, very original, it's been painted with the 70 Vw Ghia. And then we've got the 2 oval rag tops. This one's got original pans in it. Really don't want to put that out in the, I can't put that car out in the tent, Harbor Freight tent. We got the 56 Vert. Of course, 67, 2387. So I'm thinking of maybe just getting rid of those shelves and sliding the Vert over there. And then we can put the patina bug, the 58 here, and then we can back this car out, and then with it on dollies we can just roll it over and work on it, because you know I have the bench, I have 220 for the welder or 110, and then I have the nice compressor here so I can, you know, use some good tools, air tools. So that's my thought process. And then get these bikes out of here. Where, I'm not sure yet. I don't really have any room for them, but. So that's it. Oh yeah, and I came over to see what we had for parts. I do have a set of pans. So I got a set of pans. You guys asked if I had parts on order. I've got pans, and I have channels in the loft upstairs. I don't think that's a 40 or a, I don't think I have a 36. Oh, when did that looks early. Let's pull that down. Oh yeah, you see that? That's totally gonna fall right on my windshield. You guys saw that, didn't you? Epic. Of course I got 2 oval, I can't drop it on the front seats. I got 2 oval rear window glasses. Oh man, I'm kind of stuck. Let me just get rid of this. Gotta be a 36er. Here, somebody take this. Oh man, I got glass everywhere. I know the muffler's the least of my problems, but it's cool I got one. I have to hear this car run this summer. So don't get mad at me if I jump on this 56 convertible. Working on the 58 patina ride makes you realize how solid some of your other projects are. Alright, well that's gonna do it for me. I'm gonna head back to the house and try to make some progress on the 58. Well, I'm out here checking the luggage tray bolts and the body bolts. The good news was these lower bolts are all loose. Well, it came loose, and I don't think I'm going to have an issue getting those out. The body bolts, those came out, those 2. And on the driver's side of the car, I had to actually 3-pound sledge a 16 millimeter. You can see the heads on those on the right are a little worse. So the bad news is I snapped that one. Last one too, of course, but I knew this side was going to be harder. Did I rush it? I don't think so. I mean, I'm going to try to weld a nut on that, I think, before I'll let it soak overnight. But I knew this side was going to give me trouble. Maybe I could have been a little more patient. Alright guys, well we're going to try to weld that nut onto that broken bolt. This is something I've never done before. So, let's see how this goes. That thing cute. So I'm having all kinds of card issues, memory cards. Let's try this for the 4th time. The nice thing about working on a project like this is you get to go out and buy all kinds of tools that you may or may not have. I got a new grinder, which I'm going to use today. Bought yesterday. Cut this floor out. We have left patch panel. I'm going to go ahead and try and retain the center portion and see if we can get away with just the patch panels left and right. So we're going to have to get these seats out. Unfortunately, I'm not sure I'll be able to get them back in properly with the 2x4 action. You can see the other side's pretty crispy. So hopefully we can get away with just the right and left patch. Again, not going crazy on this. I just want to get this thing driving this summer. Yeah, I'm over here, guys. Yeah, so go ahead and make fun of my my eye protection, but crawling under here with all this rust crust. So why don't you get up top and pull this clutch pedal out for me? She's loose. One bolt. She's out. That's good. Let's go pull that out. Another tropical day here in New England. What do we got here? Sweet. All right. I'm gonna have to put a little patch panel there, but clean some of that up. I know you're yelling at me, what about the dog leg? I don't know yet. Get the patch panel in. I know they sell just, I think they just sell the lowers, I'm pretty sure, but I'm gonna get the seats out, get this mat out. I just I mean, look at it. Look at the doors. Okay, they're gone. I just want to get it running and driving, really. I don't want to tear it all apart. I got enough stuff going on, as you guys probably already know. So, all right, well, here's where we're at. Just drilling some spot welds. I did get a chisel set and a much needed 3-pound sledge. So that's where we're at. I'm still trying to decide if I want to come up and then save as much of this pan as possible. But I'm thinking I might as well just put the whole pan in. Sounds like more work to try to cut the other pan to fit. Absolutely. What am I even thinking? I'm not thinking. I'm new to this. So here's something I've used with success in the past on motorcycle gas tanks instead of lining them. So we have my 1958 ashtray with the cigar option. And extra rust and crust. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour the we're gonna dump this in some apple cider vinegar and see what this thing can do overnight. Like I said, I've used it on motorcycle tanks and it works awesome. So let's give it a shot. The key with this, after you remove the subject from the apple cider vinegar, is you have to neutralize the acid in the vinegar with distilled water and baking soda. That is the key. Otherwise it'll flash rust on you. So let's let that soak overnight. Just drilling spot welds. Just drilling spot welds. Next purchase, a nice drill. Just to wrap up the video, just want to say thanks for all you guys' support. Been having an absolute blast working on this bus, working on the 58. First time metalworking. It's been a lot of fun. So if you're thinking about getting a project and you're not sure you have the skills to get it done, have some confidence, get after it, because it's a lot of fun, especially when you're learning new things. I'm gonna finish working on this today and get over to the house and get those shelves out of there so we can get inside. Kind of hard to do metal work dealing with wet bare metal and rust, as you know. So thank you guys again for all the comments, likes. I really appreciate it. I can't say thank you enough. So I hope you guys have a great day, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. All right, take care, guys.